Salmatino once again. Today I'm going to show you how to download and start a demo of the target system Codesys. We'll start again right away. You can find the download center at www.eselmo.at under Product. Click on Login. If you don't have an account yet, you can register for free. Here on Demos. In this download area you will find the finished model demos. In our case we use Codesys, Demo Bending Device. After the download, unzip the file. Under Codesys you will find the PLC code implemented in the operating system, the Selmo Studio file, the generated HMI, and the virtual model from Boris. You still have to unzip this. First we open Codesys and import the project archive. To do this, go to File, Open Project, and select Bending Device Project Archive. Select the storage location. Then check if the current version of the Selmo Studio library is installed. Make sure that the gateway and the PLC of Codesys have started. Next you have to find the network path to the controller. To do this, click on Device, Scan Network. Select your device and confirm with OK. Now you can click on Login, then Yes, to download the latest code. After that, just start. Here you can see if you are connected. Next we start the Selmo Studio. Then we open the SEO file, Bending Device. You can find it under Codesys, HMI generated. You can connect to the PLC under System Layer. As the last step, we open the generated HMI and Boris's virtual model. To do this, open Selmo-powered HMI EXE and Bending Device Control Win-X64 BSY. Activate Automatic Mode and put Boris in Run. Now you can start the demo and follow the process flow in Selmo Studio and Codesys, live, step by step and bit by bit. Cool, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you and I see you in the next video, your Salmatino.